Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to bend a line in Canva. So let's begin. Alright, to bend a line into Canva, first of all we need to get into the Canva design. So for that we're gonna simply jump into the social here, and what we can do, we can go here with the Instagram post, as simple as that. You can simply pick anyone since we only want to bend the line. So here what you have to do, you have to go inside the elements and you have to search for the line, and you will need to add the line here as a shape. Okay, so whenever you add the line as a shape, I'm going to actually increase the width of this. I think this is looking fine. And now we have the second option here, which is this one, line type. So we're going to click on the line type, and here what you have to do, all you need to do is to select the curve, and this is how you can actually bend a line in Canva. Okay, so this is how you can do that. I think this is working perfectly fine. So this is how you can bend a line in Canva. So if you want to search for the curved lines as well, you might find that in the graphics as well. But obviously on the graphics, you won't be able to, modify the curve of the line. So that is why what you can do, you can simply use the line and that will work for us. So as you can see here, we have picked this from the graphics, but we don't have the option to change the curve of it. So we don't actually get that option in the graphics. But if you go here with the shape, then we get the option to change the curve of the line. So this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.